CA1 of Environmental Science, CHE 110. Topic: Impact of earthquakes on urban infrastructure. India sits at a critical geological intersection. The foundation of a safe future must be laid today. As the Indian tectonic plate continues its relentless push into the Eurasian plate, seismic activity is a constant threat. While we often think of earthquakes as a Himalayan problem, nearly 59% of our landmass is vulnerable. This is the reality facing India's rapidly expanding cities, a vulnerability that puts our entire urban infrastructure on a perilous fault line. The impact of a major earthquake is no longer just a measure of magnitude, it's a measure of urban density. Our cities are economic powerhouses, packed with high-rise buildings, complex road networks, and critical utilities. When seismic waves strike, the consequences are amplified, turning a natural hazard into a full-scale man-made disaster. The most devastating direct impact is on our built environment. Many buildings, especially older, non-engineered structures and those built hastily during urban expansion, are death traps. A key vulnerability is the soft story phenomenon, where open ground floors designed for parking offer little resistance to lateral forces, leading to catastrophic pancake collapses. Non-adherence to the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) seismic codes is the root cause of this structural failure. History provides stark warnings. The 2001 Bhuj earthquake was a chilling demonstration. The 7.7 magnitude tremor devastated the city, destroying over 370,000 structures. Critical infrastructure like hospitals, schools, and essential government buildings crumbled. The total economic loss was estimated in billions of dollars, proving that one event can wipe out years of development overnight. Earthquakes cripple the very lifelines that sustain a city. The rupture of water and sewage pipes immediately contaminates the drinking supply, risking post-disaster epidemics. Damage to power grids and substations causes widespread blackouts, crippling communication and rescue efforts. Furthermore, collapsed bridges, flyovers, and arterial roads cut off access, isolating affected areas and severely hampering the delivery of aid, medical services, and relief material. The system collapses because the systems are interdependent. Urban vulnerability is multi-layered. In the core of older cities, aging infrastructure and closely packed buildings are highly susceptible to pounding, where two buildings collide during shaking. Meanwhile, in newer, rapidly developing areas, unplanned and unauthorized construction on geologically unsuitable land, like riverbeds or unstable slopes, compounds the risk, placing millions of citizens in jeopardy. This is especially true for rapidly expanding metropolitan areas like Delhi and Mumbai, which fall into high-risk zones. Modern science offers a path forward through seismic microzonation. It goes beyond the broad national zones to map seismic hazards block by block, identifying areas prone to liquefaction, where saturated soil temporarily loses strength, or differential ground amplification. This crucial data is essential for informed urban planning, dictating where and how critical infrastructure should be built. Building resilience is the only option. The first step is the strict and transparent enforcement of the national building codes. Every structure, especially schools, hospitals, and communication centers, must be certified earthquake resistant. For existing, vulnerable buildings, seismic retrofitting, the process of reinforcing structures to improve their resistance, is a cost-effective intervention that saves countless lives and minimizes economic disruption. Achieving urban resilience requires a shift in mindset, from reaction to proactive preparedness. It means continuous training for the National Disaster Response Force, NDRF, mandatory public safety drills, and educating every citizen on emergency protocols. Earthquakes are inevitable, the resulting disaster is not. By embracing strict engineering standards, leveraging microzonation data, and committing to resilient infrastructure, India can turn its urban vulnerability into a testament to foresight and collective strength. The foundation of a safe future must be laid today.